Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna unbox a kind of special device. Actually, it's the LG Wing. Now LG Wing is not a new smartphone. This is the retail unit actually. Now why we are unboxing it right now? Because the pricing has come down drastically. It's now priced 29,999. Initially it was priced over 60,000 rupees in India. It's an expensive smartphone. Why? Because it has a unique rotating display, and you get a dual display actually. It's kind of a unique form factor, and it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor, triple camera setup, 4000 mAh capacity battery. You get a 32 megapixel selfie camera and the rotating display, and it also features all the great aspects like great build quality, fit and finish, and the POLED display, 6.8 inches POLED display, and you also get a secondary 3.9 inches OLED display. So it is a rotating display. That's the unique feature, and that's why it's called the LG Wing. Now at 29,999, it makes a great value actually, because you get a kind of different form factor, and this device is now actually a competitor to the OnePlus Nord, which also has the Snapdragon 765G, and this device is 5G compatible. That's again one of the specialities, because now LG is exiting in India and globally as well. So you might be wondering whether if you buy this phone it might be a problem. We'll talk about all those things in this video. So before getting to the unboxing, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So we have the LG Wing with us, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. This is the 5G device and hard case is included. This is the Aurora grey variant. There is also another variant, but for the sale this is the only variant available. This is the grey variant, and this comes with the rotating display. We'll talk about that in a while. So nothing else is mentioned in the box package, so let's open this. So this variant which is sold for 29,999 does not come with a charger included. So this is the device. You can see here it comes with the rotating mode, swivel mode, gimbal motion camera, and flawless POLED display. That's the POLED display, and dual recording is supported. So that's the device. So we'll talk about the device in a while. Let's just take out the other options available. So let's just take this out. So you can see this is the hard case, and you get the manual as well and warranty information. Now this hard case is kind of different. Why? Because there is no option to fit the case onto the device, because it's a rotating display. So what the LG has provided is a sticker. So just stick this onto the device, and it will be a sticky hard case. So that's the kind of mechanism this offers. But this case looks really good. It's a well built case and looks really nice. And you also get the manual on how to use the case. So this is how to attach the case onto the device. Now you also get a USB Type-C charging cable, no charger included. And finally you get an adapter, the USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter is included. So that's the box package. So let's now take a look at the device. So this is the LG Wing. So you can see the back panel again made of glass. We have the triple camera setup, primary 64 megapixel camera, then we have a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and again a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. This is a made in Vietnam model, and we get the power and volume keys. Now the volume keys have a completely different feedback. You can see here a kind of different feedback, which looks really good. Now you can also see that the build quality looks really solid. We have the SIM tray on the left side. Top portion has the microphone and the pop-up selfie camera. We have the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit at the bottom. So it looks really good. It's a bulky device actually. It's pretty heavy as well because of the swivel mechanism. So we'll talk about that in a while. So that's the device. Now let's just turn on the device. You can see here this is the device. So it comes with a POLED display. That's a 6.8 inches POLED display, and looks really good. It's a curved display. It looks really premium. And if you swipe here, you can see this is how the swivel mechanism works, and you can see that the apps are here, other apps. So how this works is basically if you open the camera, I will just show you. how this works. So when you open the camera, you can see this different mode. There is a gimbal mode, dual video recording, and using the gimbal, you can see here, this is how we can use the secondary display. It's a 3.9 inches OLED display. So there you go, you can use the options here. So this is one of the use cases. Other than that, apart from gaming also, you can use the gamepad here while gaming on the primary display. So there are a lot of use cases. This is one of them. I'll just show the use case here. Now you can also see there are additional apps available here. You can see here the apps. You can actually select which all apps you want to show in this dual display, that you can select in the settings. So once you selected, you can have this. So just swipe it back and you get the regular displays. This is how it works. And you can see that there is a mechanism which works here. That's why this device is a bit thicker. In fact, not a bit, it's definitely a lot thicker device, but the build quality and fit and finish looks really good. That's something which LG has maintained really well. Now if you go to settings, you can see that this is LG's UI, which we have seen on other LG smartphones as well. Unfortunately, this device comes with still Android 10, no Android 11 as of now, but LG is promising Android 11. So we have to wait and see how LG delivers that, or when LG delivers that. Primary reason being LG is exiting the smartphone business. So LG has promised that they will be providing updates for at least 2 years and support for more than that period, around 3 years or so. So there shouldn't be an issue primarily for the device when you're buying, because even though LG is exiting, just the smartphone business is what LG is exiting. LG will still have their service center running, because they have other products, which is including air conditioners, fridges, then other products are also there. So LG will not be exiting completely, only the smartphone business will be exiting. Now coming back to the device, so you get all the options here. You can see that it's a pretty good software experience. You get all the apps. Other options like customizations are included here, wallpaper, theme, so those support are also included here. So it's a pretty good UI in terms of features. Then you get the quick toggle available. So it's a 4G and 5G supported device, and VoLTE, everything is there. Wi-Fi calling, all options are included, and LG is saying this device will support 5G when it is available in India. Now next, let's talk about the camera. So as I said before, you can use the rotating display for the camera as well. So here we have the modes: portrait mode, video recording, you get 4K mode, there is gimbal mode available, and additional modes include, you can see here, manual mode, night mode, slow motion, manual focus is also included, time lapse is there. So it is a pretty good in terms of options. So if we just open the camera, so you can see here there are different modes available. Apart from the gimbal mode, there is dual recording available. You can record both the rear camera as well as the front camera. So this is the selfie camera, the 32 megapixel selfie camera, which you can record as well. So those are the additional options available. Now the camera performance definitely looks good. Here are some camera samples we have taken with the LG Wing. It has come really good. So LG is one of those brands which has been providing a pretty good camera experience in their premium range, and this device is one of those devices which also provides great experience. Overall, you can see that the photos have come great in terms of overall experience. Now this device comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and this also supports fast charging, but again there is no charger included in the box, so you have to depend upon third-party chargers. And there is also wireless charging supported on this device, and IP53 rating is also included on this device. Now the 4000 mAh capacity battery should be able to last more than a day, but we haven't tested it. But the battery capacity should have been slightly better, at least around 4500. That's what we feel, considering that it has a dual display to power. So that is one thing which we feel LG should have done slightly better. But apart from that, this device looks good in terms of the display, and overall experience looks good. It has its 3.9 inches OLED display at the bottom, and this is a 6.8 inches display. This is a P OLED display. So that's the display aspect, and the software and other options. Now, should you buy it at 29,999? So this device was initially priced around close to 65,000 or so, if I am correct. Now it's like just 29,999. So should you buy this device? Now this is a good alternative to the OnePlus Nord. Why? Because the cameras on this device looks much better than the OnePlus Nord, and you also get a POLED display, wireless charging is there, IP rating is there, a decent set of the dual display option is again pretty good, but again the downside being it's a heavy device, again also thicker device, bulky device I would say. And apart from that, LG is exiting India, so that definitely brings in a lot of issues like software support. We are not really sure how LG will deliver software. Then warranty, again as I said before, although LG will not exit completely, only the smartphone division will be exiting. And apart from that, resale value will be definitely lower in case you're selling after like 1 year or so. But if you plan to use for like 2 to 3 years time, I don't see a major issue with LG Wing except for the bulkiness and the weight issue. The LG Wing is a pretty good device. Also there is support for 5G, and it's a pretty good software experience, and the Snapdragon 765G is a good device. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Although you might say that you can get like a better powerful devices for this price segment, as you can get, but this is kind of a unique thing. You may not get this in all the devices, so that's one of the things you can consider. So it's up to you to decide whether you want this kind of form factor. It's a kind of unique experience, so that's the reason I bought it. Actually, I bought it from the Flipkart sale. This is actually a retail unit, not a review unit. So in case you plan to buy this, we have the link in the description of this video. It's a unique device, but it has its own pros and cons. So based on that, whatever I mentioned, you can take a call on the LG Wing. So that was the unboxing and detailed hands-on with the LG Wing. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.